Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Skool community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you offer a free trial to join your Skool community? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to offer a free trial for new members to join your Skool community anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing a Skool community as a paid group, you know that offering a free trial can give new members a chance to see all the benefit that happens inside your group. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Skool community dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already logged into my Skool group, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to offer a free trial, here on the right side, you're going to click on settings. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the group settings. And in order to offer a free trial, here on the left side, you're going to click on pricing. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the different pricing methods that you've offered. But if you look towards the bottom, you're going to see this button, give members a 7-day free trial. You're going to click that over, and then it's going to turn green. Now, if you're not able to click this, that means you have a free group. So if your group is already free, you're not going to be able to do a 7-day free trial because it's already free. But if you have a paid group like I do, $250 per month, by checking this box, people are going to be able to join in as long as I approve them. They're going to get a 7-day free trial. After that, they would have to pay the membership fee, which for this group is $250 per month. So it's nice that they have that, but for me personally, it's kind of weird that I can't offer a lower amount of days or a higher amount of days, depending on whatever promotion I want to run. It's always just going to be 7 days, at least at the time of the recording of this video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to offer a free trial to your Skool community, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.